Hello everyone, and in today's lesson you will practice how to solve division problems. So last week we went over different ways to solve division problems. We can act them out, we can draw a picture, or we can use our multiplication and mental computation to solve. Let's get started. You can open up your workbooks to page 621 to lesson worksheet 108. Once you get there, write your name and date. You can pause the video here. Okay, number 1, it reads, there are 18 cupcakes. If each child will have 2 cupcakes, how many children can have cupcakes? Well, we know that we're trying to find how many children can have cupcakes. We know that there are 18 cupcakes. We also know that each child will have 2. Well, I'm going to draw a picture. Here's a picture of 18 cupcakes. They look yummy, don't they? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to give each child 2 cupcakes, and I'm going to show that on the PowerPoint. Here's me giving one child 2 cupcakes. Here's me giving another child 2 cupcakes. Here's giving me another child 2 cupcakes. And I'm going to keep on doing this. So in my picture, each group of 2 cupcakes will represent how many children can have cupcakes. Do you know how many children can have cupcakes? If you said 9 children, then you're correct. Here's what I did. I simply divided 18 by 2. And that gave me 9. You don't have to label your number sentence, but for your final answer, you have to label. You can pause the video here. Let's do number 2 next. There are 35 children. Mr. Bellucci wants to put 5 children in each group. How many groups of children will he have? So we've got to find how many groups of children Mr. Bellucci will have. We know that there are 35 children altogether. We also know that Mr. Bellucci is going to put 5 children into each group. So I'm going to draw a picture. Here's a picture of 35 children. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to count off 5 children and put them into a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups of children will Mr. Bellucci have? If you guessed 7, you're correct. Here's what I did. I took 35 children and I divided it into 5 children per group. After I did that, I realized that I had 7 groups of 5 children. You don't have to label your number sentence, but you do have to label your final answer. 7 groups. You can pause the video here. Okay, so next I'm going to share my